The price is a nightmare. Health insurance costs around the world. Listen up, folks, healthcare shouldn't bankrupt you. But guess what? In many places it totally does. People are choosing between paying rent and seeing a doctor. That's messed up. Now America, we know you're struggling with this. But you're not alone. Healthcare costs are out of control globally. The good news? Some countries have figured out ways to make it affordable. Let's steal, their ideas, shall we? Let's jet over to Germany. They've got this whole sickness fund thing. Basically, everyone chips in. Rich or poor, you're covered. These funds negotiate drug prices, so they're not getting ripped off like some of us. Looking at you, Big Pharma. Think of it like this. It's like a giant healthcare potluck, but instead of potato salad, everyone brings money, and nobody gets food poisoning. Germans pay less for healthcare and they live longer. Coincidence? I think not. Next stop, Japan. They're all about that universal healthcare life. Everyone's automatically enrolled in a public health insurance plan. And get this, they have price controls on medical procedures. No surprise medical bills. Can you imagine? Sure, they pay a little more in taxes. But you know what's more expensive than taxes? Medical debt. Japan's got the right idea. Healthcare shouldn't be a luxury, it's a right. Section 4, the NHS United Kingdom's Healthcare United Front. Finally, let's pop over to the UK. They've got this thing called the NHS, the National Health Service. It's like a giant, cuddly healthcare bear hug for everyone. Funded by taxes, it provides free healthcare at the point of service. That means no copays, no deductibles, no hidden fees. Sure, the NHS has its critics, but you know what's even more criticized? The American healthcare system. The UK is onto something. Healthcare shouldn't be a business, it should be a basic human right. Section 5. Learning from the world's healthcare heroes. So there you have it, Germany, Japan, the UK all killing it in the affordable healthcare game. They've figured out that a healthy population is a productive population. Imagine that. These countries show us that there are other ways to do healthcare. Ways that don't involve going bankrupt or sacrificing your firstborn child. It's time for the rest of the world to take note and start putting people before profits. Because remember folks, healthcare isn't a privilege, it's a right.